Sacramento Farm Day happened because we have hundreds of volunteers. They showed up starting at 6:30 this morning, and they were assigned to move things, set up tents, put the arch up. Everybody was hands-on. We were ready, and our first buses started rolling in. So the kids, bus after bus, the kids came off. They were greeted by a farmer. Some of them had never met a farmer. And man, the smiles and the enthusiasm that was on their face told the whole story.
Here we are at Sacramento Farm Day, the first ever, being sponsored by the California Foundation for Agriculture in the Classroom and the Dave Yeager Foundation. And we're so excited to have 1,000 children here today, bussed in from all over Sacramento, and learning about agriculture through hands-on presentations. We've got live bugs. We're teaching them about good bugs, bad bugs. We're teaching them about the difference between cotton and wool, even though they all make our clothing. We are teaching them how to plant a tomato plant. Every time the bell rings, they go to a new station, including snack attacks, where we have prunes and almonds and walnuts and fruit cups for each student to take with them. We have science activities happening. We're teaching them about good nutrition and healthy eating from the farmer's market's perspective. We have live farm animals here, which is really exciting. We have a group of Siskiyou County cattle women down here teaching the kids about ZIP, the good positive benefits of beef, and they're playing beef pong. Bees that the students are getting to learn about. There's so much going on. We're just really excited. Every teacher then is going to be going home with a ton of resources, a big box of all kinds of lessons and units that are standards-based to California education. We're all having so much fun.
Well, it's fantastic that we have an opportunity to get 1,000 kids out here today, out of the classroom and out in the open air and learning about where our food comes from, how to grow our food. A lot of kids may or may not know that cheese comes from milk and that hamburgers come from cows, and kids are getting tomato plants, they're getting experiences with touching different animals and understanding where things come from and how to take care of things. Anything where we have beekeepers out here and people helping them understand how to plant tomato plants and other produce. And just it's a fantastic energy out here today, and we're very thankful to all of the people and different groups that supported us today.